corner. Moving back is Slavin. Rushed out there by Marchand, who got it. Wanted to get it to Bergeron, but the McAvoy save. Rebound, Marchand. Oh, and what a save made by McElhinney. Ring 10 bells on that one.
That is something else right there by McElhinney on the feed by Bergeron. The little feed, the push across, and boy, what a terrific save there by McElhinney.
From Teravainen, Krug able to gain the zone quickly. Lobbed one ahead. That is Marchand up to play. Out in front, Bergeron around. Over to Pastrnak to Bergeron. Couldn't get it away because in the way was McElhinney. My goodness.
A pass by Marchand finds Bergeron. He makes the pass and then right back to Bergeron. Somebody's got to shoot it if you're going to hit the back of the net.
6:20 left, first period, game 4. Niederreiter able to bring it ahead. Tried for Ferland, off Carlo. Niederreiter in front. Oh, and a combination play. Was right in front of the net, and Rask able to make the stop.
Good read here by Tuukka Rask on the feed to Justin Williams.
Along it's taken now by Marchand. Right out in front. The feed from McAvoy was blocked off by McElhinney. As the pass from Pastrnak was right to him. It's McAvoy around, and the scramble in front on the try by Bergeron.
His save on the redirect by Bergeron, and you see the Bruins trying to get to the rebound, but not able to do it.
Krug, Pastrnak, Marchand, Bergeron, and DeBrusk. Handed back to Marchand with an opening up the wing and a shot. Score! Tipped by Pastrnak.
This is a hard pass by Marchand, and Pastrnak had to be firm on the stick. But all he has to do is get it on the stick. A little overcommitment by McElhinney, and we've got ourselves a 1-0 game.
Nordstrom pushed it behind. The fourth line back out there for Boston, as often occurs. After the scoring a goal, Nordstrom a shot, and McElhinney able to cover that one up. Cleared to the back and held by Matt Grizzly. Grizzly with 2 goals in the series gives on over to Bergeron, and it's got pad stop is made there and eventually covered.
Well, I thought for a second Pastrnak was about to celebrate as the puck was loose, but McElhinney able to cover up.
To Marchand and back to Pastrnak, and Grizzly connects with Pastrnak again. Wanted to swagger by, no luck with the follow-up. Bergeron to Pastrnak to Bergeron. He scores! Bergeron, a power play goal, and it's 2-0.
4 guys have touched the puck already. The move by Pastrnak doesn't work. A give and go. Far side pass McElhinney.
But by him, and they say no icing here, so it is Slavin with a little over 9.5 to go. A turnover there. Pastrnak dealt it off. Score! Bergeron! And it's 3-0.
Turnover right on the stick. Pastrnak. Look at the presence of mind to find Bergeron for the layup goal.
Meanwhile, shoved along and then spun around was McGinn. Puck battled for by Krejci, dug out there by Bergeron, and starting ahead is Marchand. Net empty, score! And it's 4-0, and the line comes up with more points. Tuukka Rask has a shutout. 4-0 the score. 4-0 the sweep by his team.